What is the first step in learning Chinese? I'm talking about Mandarin. The answer is pinyin. Why? Reason number one, pinyin is the best way to learn Chinese pronunciation. Reason number two, you need to learn pinyin to be able to type in your phone and a computer. To be fair, you can also use voice recognition these days to type text, but pinyin is still necessary to make your pronunciation recognizable. It's also true many people manage to learn Chinese without learning pinyin. They just hear whatever words they hear and try to mimic the sound of it. But I argue that this is a harder way to learn, although it seems more straightforward at the beginning, because in this way you need to remember the sound of 90,000 characters. There are about 90,000 characters in Chinese, but if you learn pinyin, you will know all these 90,000 characters are simply the various combination of 47 consonants and vowels. So 47 versus 90,000, which one do you choose? In fact, much less than 47 because all the vowels and consonants in Chinese exist in English also. The only difference are these 11 phonetics I marked with magenta. Reason number three, pinyin is something even Chinese kids learned when they are at elementary school. Do you want to learn Chinese the way Chinese natives learn? Then you learn it through pinyin. Now, how to learn pinyin? I made a free e-learning course for you to learn it. It's truly free, don't worry. I'll maybe charge on some much more advanced courses later, but pinyin part will always be free. This e-course is also mobile friendly. Check out the link below in description area to see if it works for you. Now let's see how it looks like. I host this pinyin e-learning course on my portfolio site. Just click the tutorial tab to see the course. If you're in China, go to this site, lancetutorial.club. If you're not in China, go to this site, lancingfang.com. They are all the same. Because I'm in China now, I'll use this site for faster loading speed. Here I have some ads here. It sells a silkworm duvet from my hometown in China. If you are in China, you can consider buying it. It has a soothing effect on your nerve and have all kinds of health benefits. I know it because I used it before. Okay, enough with ads. This course will take a while to load. Depending on where you are, it consists of 4 parts. The first part is the pinyin alphabet. You can click on each button to know how it sounds like. You can click here to see more examples of how it sounds like in real characters. Ha, hen, ha, you, ya, yi. This note here gives you some additional information on resemblance of Chinese pronunciation and English pronunciation, so to make things easier for you. The second part is a little game for you to master 5 tones in Mandarin. I've seen many Chinese learners have a hard time mastering the tones. That's why I gave the tones an individual section here. This section is meant for you to practice recognizing these 5 tones when hearing them. After you know how to recognize them, it wouldn't take long for you to know how to speak them correctly. 复杂 过客 You can click on this button on Guide to see a more detailed explanation about tones. There are 5 the light tone note, one last 过客. The third part is a final test. From the previous 2 sections, you should be able to read any pinyin now. These are the lyrics of 3 very popular Chinese songs. The reason I chose lyrics for you to practice is because they are more interesting and they have a rhythm, so they would make more of an impression on you. The way to use it is simply trying to read the lyrics pinyin out loud by yourself first, and then check out the answer. There are 2 answers. One is in reading tone read by me, another is in the singing tone from the song. 你笑得甜蜜蜜
你笑得甜蜜蜜。
难以忘记初次见你。
难以忘记初次见你。
You can click here to give yourself a star if you're correct. If you cannot tell if you're correct or not, you can also give me $2 on Patreon and send me your recording of the lyrics, and I'll give you a review of your pronunciation in 2 days. If you want to be my patron, I'll also answer questions regarding Chinese learning and some general cultural issue about China for you. If you'd like to see more Chinese songs made into tutorial like this, you can support me on Patreon. For every $50 I receive, I'll make 2 songs for free to use for everybody. The fourth part is simply an introduction of this course and a brief introduction of the next step to take after you learned pinyin. The next step is 1000 characters challenge. I haven't finished making this part yet. After I'm done, I'll make a video to introduce it to you. Lastly, remember to check out the link for this free e-learning course for pinyin and tell me if it's an effective way of learning for you.